to settings, scroll down to about phone, software information, go to build number and click it several times until you see the developer mode has been turned on. Go back again. Now the developer mode should be on. Click on developer option, scroll down until you see force allow apps on external. This option here, this one. Now go back. It should be turned on. It should be on. This option should be turned on. I'll go back. Go to apps. Now let me try with maybe assistant, storage. And I also have this option, change. I'll choose a SD card, move in about 5 to 10 seconds. It depends with the app size that you're trying to move. Let me try drive 290 MB, storage, change, SD card, move. There's some of the apps you can't move, like Facebook. It's a bloatware. It came installed in the phone. When I try to go to storage, you see I don't have the option to change. There's some of the apps you can't move, but at least you can move most of them. Thank you guys. That's how you move your apps from your internal storage to external, to create space to internal storage. Thank you so much, and please like and share.